Have you ever had something break in your home and you wonder, is this covered under my warranty? So you pull out your product's warranty, you're flipping through all the pages, getting lost in all the mumbo jumbo, trying to figure out if the damages you're experiencing is covered under the warranty. Wouldn't it be nice if there was a clear breakdown of the parts of a warranty and what you need to look for in each part? Well, that's exactly what we're going to talk about in this video today. Hi, I'm Rebecca from the Home Solutions channel, and today I'm here at Southwest Exteriors to talk with sales leader Ryan Houchin all about warranties. So let's go! So today I'm talking to sales leader Ryan Houchin at Southwest Exteriors. You've been at Southwest Exteriors for 14 years, over 14 years. So I'm assuming one of the first things you want to look at in a warranty is the lifetime, how long the warranty is good for. Mm-hmm. And in that lifetime, or the time that the warranty is good for, what are some things that you want to look at in the fine print? That's definitely the jumping off point, is looking at the term or the duration of the warranty, and really understanding, what's fuzzy or ambiguous language versus what is very clear, direct language. We forget that as a consumer, we have a certain degree of power in this process, right? And not just the final decision of I'm going with this or this, but we have the power to ask good questions, because that's where consumers get hurt, is their failure to ask good questions and fully understand what the heck's going on. So asking, well, okay, that's great, a lifetime warranty. What is the lifetime? Whose lifetime? And what's your definition of that lifetime? Having a good understanding of that definition, because it probably won't be given to you, unless you ask for it. Mm-hmm. So next part, understand how long my warranty is good for, but no matter what product I'm purchasing in my home, there's a lot of parts to every different product, whether it's a window, door. So what are some things I should be looking at in my warranty as it comes to breaking down the actual product and its parts? Yeah, that's a great question. That's a really good question for people to ask, because that is a couple of layers deep, right? And that's important to understand, is that there isn't such a thing as just a warranty that just blanket covers everything, right? Generally, the components, the pieces, the parts of a project hold and carry different warranties. So on a window, the frame, the glass, the hardware, the mechanisms that make it work, the screen, the frame, the color, if there's a color on the frame, all those things could have different warranties. So it's important to understand what is each of those. And again, as a consumer, you have the power and the authority, sitting across from whoever you've invited out to your home, to ask those questions and require answers that answer your questions. Mm-hmm. Understanding what the warranty is on each one of the components of your project. With Hardy Plank, there's different components, there's different boards. What is the trim board? What is the siding? What is that? What is the underlaying? What is that covered? The paint, the caulking, the nails. What is the warranty on all those components? Because I don't want to be left holding the ball, with a lifetime warranty that doesn't cover any of that stuff, right? Asking those specific questions that apply to those specific components of whatever project it is that you're doing. And then having a really firm, understanding of what each of those are and how they're covered and protected. So next, some part of a warranty that might be a little bit confusing is the transferability of a warranty. I'm like, well, I'm a homeowner, I'm living in my home. Why do I care if the warranty is gonna be transferable? What does that even mean? Can you explain what that part of a warranty is? Transferability is basically, say in the event you move, you sell your house, what is gonna be included with that package that will pass on to the subsequent owner, meaning whoever buys your house, takes over your house, whatever the case. So that transferability is important generally because people, they want that comfort of, hey, if I sell my house, there's gonna be some thing that I can offer that will be good to the next homeowner, just for, added value. So that transferability is important to ask, in terms of you finding out who you're gonna work with for your project. Asking what is the transferability, okay? And again, as imagine in our talking here, we found out there's usually a couple layers down, a couple questions that you can ask that expand on whatever the topic is and really give you a better understanding rather than just that first question you may ask. So not just does it transfer and what does that work out, how does that work out? But then again, what is the process? If there's a $600 transfer fee, you probably wanna know about that, right? So not only does it transfer, how many times, what's the cost, okay, and what's the process, okay? Does the company do everything? Do you have to contact the vendor or the manufacturer of the product, which is, in a lot of cases with a lot of windows, the onus, it's on either the homeowner or the new homeowner, the person that's buying the home. It's up to them to transfer that warranty. The company says, I don't want to deal with it. I mean, that's your job, right? And that, again, as we talked about with companies, that's a good indication you're not working with the right company.
So you kind of talked about this a little bit with making assumptions in a warranty about the lifetime. You hear lifetime warranty, oh, everything's covered for the lifetime. But even if it's not a lifetime, I'm sure there's things that aren't included in a warranty, exclusions, if you may. So what are some things you need to look at with exclusions in a warranty? Nobody
likes to read through a warranty page, right? That's not fun for anybody. But understanding very clearly, and again, that's a question that you have the power to ask as a consumer, as somebody holding the power in this decision, you have the power and the authority to ask, what's excluded in my warranty? Okay? And that would be if the company, we talked about company and product warranties, company's not giving a warranty, the product warranty is lifetime. Okay, that sounds pretty good as a consumer, but if I ask a couple more questions, is that lifetime just on the product, or how long am I covered on the installation side of things? Because that's a big component of this project. Okay, so understanding that and making sure it's very clearly articulated, which in general probably won't be just given to you, you're gonna have to ask and pry that information out of somebody, is asking, what applies to what's excluded, what's included, and again, knowing very specifically. And if someone can't furnish you with an actual warranty page from the company, from the product manufacturer, if they can't give it, that's a huge red flag. Yeah, red flag, wave it. That is a big sign that something's off here, especially if they're giving a bold statement like, oh, everything's lifetime warranty. Okay, well, can I see that warranty page? Can you send that to me? And if they don't, you got a problem, right? That's a significant breach of trust, and I would advise extreme caution in moving forward with that kind of company.
We've only just scratched the surface when it comes to breaking down the parts of a warranty, so be sure to stick around for part 2 of this video where we'll finish up our conversation with Ryan. Then you'll be able to pull out your warranty and find exactly what you're looking for. If you want to learn more about specific product warranties, check the link below in the description to head over to the Southwest Exteriors Learning Center where you can learn all about warranties. Thanks for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we just want you to have the look you love coming home to.